Good morning, guys. Welcome to the illegal garage. Today we're gonna do a little project on the Tacoma. I've been wanting to do for a few months, since I bought it. The stock exhaust is pretty much sucks. It doesn't sound like anything. So today we're gonna try to remove it, and we're gonna replace it with the carven exhaust, all stainless steel. I'll put link in the description for this exhaust. It's carven. Should be pretty easy. So clamps. And we choose of course the black 5-inch tip. Should look pretty good. I'll put I don't know how much I'm gonna record of the installation. Is pretty straightforward. Two bolts, 2 or 3 hangers, and that's it. And I'm gonna put a sound clip, stock versus the carven, to see if we notice any difference between the two. So I'm gonna stop it here. Like I said, if you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and just do all the good stuff. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna see what I need, tools I need, and I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Well, here's the stock Toyota exhaust. It's a big mother effer. The stock tip, and here's the carven exhaust. See, compare. A little itty bitty one. It comes in 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece with exhaust, with the tip. So we're gonna start with this piece over here. We just remove it from there. Everything else is gonna stay the same. From those pieces right there, the Y, to the collector over here. Well, guys, there is the old exhaust on the Tacoma. If anybody needs one, hit me up. Brand new 10,000 mile stock Tacoma exhaust. And here's the carven exhaust, all stainless steel. I'm gonna put sound clips before and after at the end of this video, if you wanna hear the difference. Thank you, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, or do all the good stuff. This is the illegal garage. Bye.